In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor images the same height. Consistency in image size contributes significantly to a clean, professional-looking website, and learning how to manage this using Elementor can make a big difference in your site's layout and user experience. The first thing we need to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open the page you're working on with Elementor. This should be quite straightforward. Locate the page or post that contains the images you want to align, and hit Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor interface, which gives you the flexibility of designing your page visually. Once you're in the Elementor editor, find the section or column containing the images. You'll need to hover over it until you see a little control panel above your section or column. Click the panel to open the settings. Now let's focus on making those images the same height. You're going to want to go to the Advanced tab located in the left sidebar of your screen. It's important to add some custom CSS, so scroll down until you see the Custom CSS option. If you're working with a pro version of Elementor, this step is relatively simple. You'll have a box where you can input custom CSS code. Here, paste the following lines to ensure that all your images maintain a consistent height. This code sets the height of the images to a specific pixel value while ensuring that they are resized proportionally with the object fit property. Now, if you're using the free version of Elementor, this step involves a bit of a workaround since custom CSS isn't directly available. In this case, what you can do is leverage CSS classes in your theme's customizer or additional CSS section. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard again. Under Appearance, click on Customize. Then, find the section labeled Additional CSS where you can paste the same CSS snippet. Just make sure your selector targets the correct class or ID that corresponds with your images for it to work effectively. Once everything is set up, don't forget to hit that Save or Update button at the bottom, depending on whether you're in Elementor or in the customizer. Preview your page to ensure the images adjust as desired, maintaining the intended height across your site. If they're not appearing as expected, double-check your CSS for typos or errors. Following these steps should streamline your page design process and give your website a visually appealing gallery or grid. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful for maintaining consistency on your website.